What if I told you the secret to powerful legs after 60 isn't in the gym, it's in your kitchen? Here's what no one tells you: most people think weak legs are inevitable. One day, getting up from a chair takes effort. Then stairs become a challenge. Eventually, a walk around the block feels exhausting. But here's the truth: a 2024 study from Tufts University found that muscle loss after 50 isn't about age. It's about nutrition. Your legs are the first to lose strength, and when they go, your balance, energy, and independence follow. The good news? You can reverse this naturally. Starting today. I'm about to share 6 foods backed by science that rebuild muscle, restore energy, and keep you moving confidently for decades. Food number 1? It's sitting in your fridge right now, but almost no one prepares it correctly. Quick question before we dive in: drop a comment and tell me, where are you watching from? I love connecting with our Health Vita family worldwide. And if staying strong matters to you, hit that like button and subscribe. It genuinely helps us reach more people who need this. Number 6, sweet potatoes, the stamina fuel. Let me ask you something: do your legs run out of gas halfway through the day? Sweet potatoes are nature's answer. Unlike quick energy foods that spike and crash, these deliver sustained fuel for hours. Here's why they work: their complex carbohydrates convert slowly, giving your muscles steady power without the afternoon slump. But there's more. Each serving contains over 400% of your daily vitamin A requirement, critical for repairing muscle tissue after movement. The potassium helps too, preventing those painful leg cramps that wake you at 3 a.m. And inflammation? That silent destroyer of mobility? The beta-carotene in sweet potatoes actively fights it, keeping your legs loose and pain-free. Pro tip: roast them with the skin on. That's where most nutrients hide. Cube them, toss with olive oil, roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Game changer. Number 5, oats, the endurance secret. Here's something interesting. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who ate oats daily had 23% better endurance than those who didn't. Why? Oats release energy slowly, like a time-release capsule. No spikes. No crashes. Just steady fuel from breakfast through dinner. They're also surprisingly high in plant-based protein, 6 grams per cup, which repairs micro-tears in muscle fibers. Add in iron for oxygen transport and magnesium for muscle function, and you've got a complete recovery food. Real talk: if you wake up with leg cramps, this might be your answer. The magnesium in oats regulates muscle contractions while you sleep. How to use them: steel-cut oats in the morning, or blend raw oats into smoothies. Your legs will thank you by 3 p.m. when everyone else is fading. If this is making sense so far, do me a favor: tap that like button and share this with someone who's struggling with leg strength. It might change their life. Number 4, avocados, the flexibility restorer. Ever stand up and feel stiff? Like your legs need a warm-up just to walk? That's inflammation and dehydration at the cellular level. Avocados fix both. Here's what surprised me: avocados contain 60% more potassium than bananas, the nutrient that prevents muscle spasms and keeps your legs responsive. The healthy fats? They don't just satisfy hunger. They lubricate your joints and reduce inflammatory markers by up to 40%, according to research from Penn State. Plus, those fats help you absorb other nutrients better. Eat avocado with your salad, and your body absorbs 4x more vitamins. My recommendation: half an avocado, 3 times a week. On toast, in smoothies, or straight with a spoon and a pinch of salt. Consistency beats perfection here. Within 2 weeks, notice how much easier you move in the morning. Number 3, berries, the cellular bodyguard. Every single day, your muscles face attack, from oxidative stress, inflammation, and free radicals. Think of it like rust forming on metal. Berries are your defense system. A UCLA study found that older adults who ate berries daily had significantly less muscle breakdown and faster recovery times. Why? Anthocyanins, the compounds that give berries their color, actually repair damaged muscle fibers at the cellular level. Blueberries specifically boost collagen production, keeping tendons and ligaments flexible. Strawberries improve blood flow, ensuring oxygen reaches your legs efficiently. And here's a bonus, they sharpen memory and focus too. The easiest habit, keep frozen berries on hand. Toss a handful in your morning oats, yogurt, or smoothie. Frozen berries are often more nutrient-dense than fresh because they're picked at peak ripeness. Number 2, salmon, the inflammation fighter. Let me be direct, if you eat only one food from this list regularly, make it salmon. Here's why, every step you take creates tiny tears in muscle tissue. That's normal. The problem? After 60, your body repairs slower. Salmon accelerates this process. Each serving delivers 25 grams of complete protein, all the amino acids your legs need to rebuild. But the real magic is the omega-3 fatty acids. Studies show they reduce muscle inflammation by up to 30% and improve blood flow, meaning nutrients reach your legs faster. Those omega-3s also keep joints supple. Less stiffness. Less pain. Better range of motion. Harvard researchers found, eating fatty fish twice weekly reduced mobility decline by 35% in adults over 65. How much do you need? 2 4-ounce servings per week. Grilled, baked, or even canned wild-caught salmon works. Pair it with sweet potatoes and you've got a recovery meal your legs will feel the next day. Number 1, eggs, the foundation food. If I could only recommend one food to rebuild strength after 60, it's this, eggs. Not fancy. Not expensive. Just incredibly effective. Here's what makes eggs special, they contain all 9 essential amino acids in perfect ratios. Your body can't make these, you must eat them. Without them, your muscles literally can't repair or grow. But there's more going on here. Vitamin D, most people over 60 are deficient. One egg provides 10% of your daily needs, critical for both bone density and muscle contraction. Choline, this overlooked nutrient keeps your nerves and muscles communicating. It's why eggs improve coordination and balance. A 2023 study linked higher choline intake to 40% fewer falls in older adults. Leucine, the amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis, the actual building of new muscle tissue. The yolk contains most of these nutrients, so don't skip it. The prescription, 1 to 2 eggs daily. Scrambled, boiled, poached, doesn't matter. What matters is consistency. I've seen people in their 70s regain leg strength they lost in their 50s, simply by eating eggs daily for 3 months. The practical plan. Now, you don't need to eat all 6 foods every single day. That's not realistic. Here's what works, choose 2 or 3, rotate through the week. What matters most is showing up consistently. Sample week, Monday, oats with berries Wednesday, salmon with sweet potato Friday, eggs and avocado toast daily, handful of berries and yes, pair this nutrition with gentle movement. Even 10-minute walks help these nutrients reach your muscles faster. But the food does the heavy lifting. Quick recap. Let's lock this in. 1. Sweet potatoes equals sustained energy. 2. Oats equals endurance and recovery. 3. Avocados equals flexibility and joint health. 4. Berries equals cellular protection. 5. Salmon equals anti-inflammatory repair. 6. Eggs equals complete muscle foundation. These aren't just foods. They're your defense against weakness, your insurance policy against decline. Start small. Add just one food this week. Next week, add another. Because here's the truth, every meal is a choice. Choose strength. Choose independence. Choose the life you want at 70, 80, and beyond. If this video gave you value, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs stronger legs, and subscribe to Health Vita for science-backed health strategies that actually work. Now I want to hear from you. Which food surprised you most? Which will you add this week? Drop a comment, your experience might inspire someone else to start their journey. Remember, strong legs aren't about luck or genetics. They're about what you eat, consistently, over time. Stay strong, stay nourished, and keep moving forward, because the best version of you is still ahead. See you in the next video.